So hello everyone, welcome to Rahul GPAT Academy. Myself Rahul Molla. I have done my M.Pharm from Jadavpur University, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutics in Vishnu Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Telangana. So today we are going to discuss regarding capsule, one of the most important topics for GPAT NIPER and other competitive exams like RRB as well as M pharmacist. So today we will cover the most important point which will be needed, which will be most important for exam. Okay, so let's start. So what is capsule? We know that capsule nothing but the solid dosage form. Okay, it's nothing but the solid dosage form where we are entrapping or enclosing the drug substances within the hard or soft soluble cell, generally made up of gelatin. Gelatin is one type of protein. Capsule usually classified into two types. One is hard gelatin capsule and another one is soft gelatin capsule based on the appearance. Hard gelatin capsule generally contain, in which purpose we used to use hard gelatin capsule now to contain dry powder or very small pellets consist of body as well as cap, body and cap. And in case of hard gelatin capsule, it will be having moisture content about 12 to 16%. It's having moisture content 12 to 16%, which is greater than the soft gelatin capsule. In case of soft gelatin capsule, the moisture content is 6 to 10%. These 2 points you have to remember. Means it may be asked in question like hard gelatin capsule having which percent, which how much amount of moisture content, and in case of soft gelatin, how much content. That you have to remember. In case of hard gelatin, it will be hard, means more amount of moisture content. In case of soft gelatin, less amount of moisture content will be there, 6 to 10%. In case of hard gelatin, 12 to 10, 12 to 16%. So now we are going to discuss regarding composition of capsule. Now, generally, the capsule is made up of only gelatin as well as different types of excipients. Also, we are going to use to prepare the capsule like plasticizer, water, small amount of certified dyes, opacifying agent, flavoring agent, coloring agent, as well as preservatives, and API should be there to achieve the desired pharmaceutical effect. Gelatin is one type of heterogeneous product, usually derived by the help of irreversible hydrolytic extraction. Irreversible hydrolytic extraction. This point you have to remember. Okay. This point you have to remember. So gelatin is derived by the help of irreversible hydrolytic extraction process by treated animal collagen. Animal collagen. Okay, na? ठीक. Now we are going to discuss regarding different types of gelatin like type A gelatin and type B gelatin. Type A gelatin is derived from an acid treated precursor. Acid A. A for acid, A for type A. So type A gelatin always will be derived from acid treated precursor and its exhibit its isoelectric point. Acid treated means it will be having more pH, means in basic medium, so pH will be 9. For type A gelatin, isoelectric point is in the region of pH 9. And type B gelatin, type B for basic medium, so type B gelatin is from alkali treated or base treated precursor, and its isoelectric zone in the region of 4.7 pH 4.7. Okay na? So these 2 points, and in the previous slide I have mentioned moisture content and this isoelectric point. These two, please try to remember. It's very important. Now we are going to discuss regarding bloom strength or gel strength. Bloom strength or gel strength is nothing but the measure or indication, is the product of cohesive strength of cross-linking that occurs between the gelatin molecule. Cohesive force nothing but the between same molecule, nothing but the between the gelatin molecule. What if the attractive force is there, that nothing but the Bloom strength, and it's always proportional to its molecular weight of the gelatin chain. If the molecular weight of the gelatin chain is more, means it will be having more Bloom strength. If more Bloom strength, then it will be more costly. Cost of the gelatin is directly proportional to Bloom strength. Okay, now cost of the gelatin is directly proportional to Bloom strength. More Bloom strength means it will be taking more different steps to get the pure gelatin with larger chain. That's why it's more costly. Usually, Bloom strength of the what gelatin we are using during preparation of capsule in the range of 150 to 250 gram. This point you have to remember, 150 to 250 gram. Okay, now. So one more important uh, property of gelatin is viscosity. And remember the viscosity range of gelatin used in the capsule like 25 to 45 millipoise. 25 to 45 millipoise. Okay, now that you have to remember. That you have to remember. Now, gelatin used in the manufacture of sub-gelatin capsule should not contain more than 15% iron. Iron 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 should be always less than 15% to pass the limit test of iron. Okay, so gelatin should not contain more than 15 ppm parts per million iron. You have to remember this one. So now we are going to discuss regarding different excipient used in the preparation of capsule. So what are the excipients? Excipient are nothing but other than API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, which are used to prepare a proper dosage form. That's it. What are the different types of excipient used in the preparation of capsule? Number of dyes, certified dyes. Dyes may be water soluble dyes or water insoluble dyes. What are the water soluble dyes are there? Like erythrocin, erythrocin, indigo carmine, quinolin. These are the dyes which are water soluble. You have to remember water soluble and as well as water insoluble. Water insoluble means insoluble. I for insoluble, I for iron oxide. So iron oxide is nothing but the water insoluble pigment dyes which are used in the preparation of capsule. Now we are going to discuss regarding opacifier. Titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide in the range of 0.2 to 1.2%. In this concentration, titanium dioxide used as an opacifier in the preparation of capsule. Plasticizers. Why plasticizer is important? Now it will provide the strength, mechanical strength as well as plasticity property, plastic property to the capsule. For the plasticizer used, the glycerin, sorbitol and polyethylene glycol. Glycerin, sorbitol and polyethylene glycol. These are the ingredients which are used as plasticizer in the preparation of capsule. Preservative. What is the importance of preservative? Now, preservative will increase the shelf life of the product of capsule or capsule. So, what are the preservatives are used in the preparation of capsule to increase the shelf life of capsule? You have to remember like sodium benzoic acid, methyl paraben and propyl paraben in the ratio of 4:1. This one you have to remember, as well as sulfur dioxide, ascorbic acid. This ascorbic acid work as a preservative as well as antioxidant also. Now we will discuss regarding lubricant. Lubricant will help to improve the flow property of the powder during preparation of capsule. What are the lubricant used in the preparation of capsule like talc, magnesium stearate, colloidal silicon dioxide. So these three are used as lubricant or glidant in the preparation of capsule. Now absorbent like kaolin, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate and magnesium oxide used as absorbent in the preparation of capsule. Now diluent as starch and sucrose are used as diluent in the preparation of capsule, and 0.15% of SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, used as surfactant or whitening agent to improve the solubility as well as to decrease the contact angle during the preparation of capsule between excipient and different ingredients. Now we'll discuss regarding different size of capsule. Capsule are of different size. It may be larger size or smaller size. Based on that, mainly like 000, 000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 8 different types of size of capsules are there. 000 which are having highest or largest size of the capsule, and 5 will be having least smallest 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 one smallest one smallest one. This table you need to remember properly. From this table minimum one question you may get in the exam. Now different equipment used in the capsule formulation like rotofill. Rotofill means fill. Fill means to fill the pellets. Rotoshot means to short or shortening. Nothing but the new filled capsule shortening machine, that is Rotoshot. Eureka KE, this one is important. Is generally used for the and dedusting and polishing of the capsule. Roto weight means to weigh of the capsule. Roto A is a high-speed capsule weighing machine. Quali seal. Quali seal means filling of liquid. These things you need to remember properly. Wish you all the best. Hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much. If you please like, comment, subscribe and stay tuned for further video.